Hi there, I'm Jodie. Welcome to my home. I'm really glad you're here today because I have a very cute Halloween DIY to share with you. And it utilizes something that you might just have in your basement or in your closet. Maybe you're considering getting rid of it. And that is the little metal trucks that we have seen the past several years. I haven't really seen them in the stores this year, but for about 2 years they were really popular. They were everywhere. Everyone was buying them. And you might still have yours and just are over it or don't really know what to do with it. But I have a really cute idea for you today, and it would be really fun to do with the kids or grandkids, and a great display for your table or an entryway table. And I will show you all the items that I either purchased, had on hand, or found in nature, and a few things that I put together. I'll show you how I did that, and then I'll show you the end results. It's a really cute project, and I hope you like it, so stay tuned. These are all the things that I gathered to create the Halloween display, and I thought I would just share them with you quickly and where they came from. The first little pile is from Dollar Tree, the little straw bales, and I'm going to put the wings on the skeleton. I've seen that on Pinterest, and that's really cute. The sign I repurposed from another project. I'm going to repaint that. The truck itself came from Hobby Lobby, and it was originally red, but I painted it cream because I thought it would just go with a lot more things if I painted it, so I like it cream. And the little pumpkins, I got those last year and they were half price. And then the little bottles I thought would be cute for the potions. I had this scrap piece of fabric. It's a burlap look. It isn't burlap, but I'm going to use it as the base to lay under the display. And I made these little ghosts from cheesecloth. I need to finish the eyes. I just drew a circle around a plate and then used Mod Podge and put them, you can put them on a little bottle or something just to shape them and let them dry. And the bats are felt, and I coated those with Mod Podge as well, just to give them a little bit of stiffness. And then these little pumpkins were actually from Dollar Tree. My friend figured out, my dear friend Karen, she figured out you could carve them with an X-Acto knife. And I'm going to try to put the little tiny string lights in those, so we'll see if that works. These items were actually purchased. This came from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and this was something I had. I'm not sure where it came from. These were from my mom. These were hers. I'm not sure where she got the fairy. She's so cute. So I'm going to incorporate those. I have a branch from the yard. I'm going to create my tree to hang bats from, and this I'm going to use for the base, and I'll show you how I put that together. And then I had refreshed the front door arrangement because the flowers just really had faded in the sun and some were falling apart. So I threw these in the trash, and then I had a brainstorm that I could use the petals and the leaves to cut to make tiny leaves for the display. So I dug these out of the trash and rescued them, so I'll show you how I do that. That is pretty much what we have to work with, and let's get creating. I just wanted to thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I enjoyed creating it. And if you have any ideas for items you would create to add to the project, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your ideas. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon in another video.